In true Jamaican fashion, today we decided to stop for breakfast. Normally we would get breakfast when we reach the destination, but today we did stuff a bit different. We stopped at Brewed Awakening, which is a cute little breakfast and lunch joint in Kingston, and they have a wide variety for everybody. We got wings, we got burgers, we got paninis. Once we got our stomach full, we went on our road trip. We were still making time, so we didn't have to worry about that. And then the fact that we went on the highway, which is 45 minutes and not 1 hour and 30 minutes, we got to the beach in ample time. We went to the cove first because we said let's try out the cove, but it wasn't really giving us the vibe that we wanted, and we ended up going to Mahogany Beach. This is the first time we went there. We want to go to a place that has never a dull moment. This is a place for you. You can easily spend the whole day.
All your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing.
Happiness. If a program of business.
Hi guys.
And we're back here again. It's been amazing.
Oh
it's been amazing.
It's her birthday.
Yes, girl. I hope you enjoy yourself for my birthday sport.
Yeah, so much fun.
At this hidden place, this even just so crowded place, but I'm always meant to be said, but I'm happy we came here.
Right?
Happy we came here for days, man.
Yes.